Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna make this video pretty short and sweet so you can get back to whatever you're doing, but if you like it, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to see more of this stuff, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, today we are talking about Notion and how to integrate Google Calendar with it. If you don't know what Notion is, it's an awesome productivity software, and you will love it if you start to use it. Definitely recommend it, so let's jump right in. First off, we are going to create a new page to embed our Google Calendar. If you don't know how to do that, you're just gonna press /page, make a new page, super easy. So we've got our page in Notion where we want our calendar. Next, we're going to go over to Google Calendar, where we are crushing it every day of this month. It's very important that we stay crushing it, and part of crushing it is to integrate our Google Calendar with Notion. So let's get right into it. So first you're gonna go to your calendar. You're gonna press these three little dots and settings and sharing. Okay, so now that once we're in here, we're going to press access permissions. We're going to make available to public. So your Google Calendar will actually be able to be searched on Google. It will be public, so if you're uncomfortable with that, just keep in mind that that is kind of part of the game when you're integrating into Notion. So next, let's go down to integrate calendar. So here is where you're going to find your public URL to this calendar. So we're going to take that, copy that, Command-C, Control-C if you're on Windows, and then we are going to come back over to Notion. We're going to press /embed. So there we go. We can add a whole bunch of stuff in here, but right now we're going to add our Google Calendar. So let's paste this right in here, embed. And here you go. You got your calendar right here. You can resize it however you want. You can obviously tell that this was designed before I was born. So, So yeah, here's your embedded calendar, and you will be able to see everything that you have on your current calendar. It will update by itself, and it's super useful, especially if you have other teammates or team members looking at your calendar, trying to figure out when you're available. So definitely recommend doing this. The design is kind of terrible, but there's not a lot we can do about that right now. And yeah, thanks for watching the whole video. If you're into this Notion stuff, I'm actually going to be doing a whole Notion series. I'll put it up somewhere on the screen once it's done. And if you're not into this Notion stuff, I just moved into this new studio, and I'm going to do a studio tour pretty soon, so definitely subscribe for that. Press the like button if you like the video, and the rest of the videos on my channel are great too, so please check them out. I'll see you soon. Catch you on the flip-flop.